Hey there, car enthusiasts and drift lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme modifications and the unexpected transformation of a classic Mercedes-Benz limo. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the story behind this 1,000 horsepower monster and its massive turbos that will leave you in awe. Imagine a sleek, luxurious limo, the kind that whisks celebrities and VIPs around in style. Now, picture that same limo, but with a radical makeover, turning it into a drift machine with an insane amount of horsepower. That's the story of this Mercedes-Benz E-Class limo, and it's a tale that challenges our expectations. The transformation. This limo's journey began as a standard E-Class, but it underwent a complete metamorphosis. The team, led by content creator Backfire Brad, had a vision and a tight deadline, just 4 months to create a showstopper for the 2025 SEMA show. And boy, did they deliver. Under the hood. Say goodbye to the original Mercedes engine, because this beast now boasts a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter Corvette V8. That's right, a Corvette engine under the hood of a limo. And the key to its incredible power? Those massive turbos, which are literally bigger than your face. They're so prominent, you can spot them peeking out from under the hood, a bold statement of pure power. Drift Limo, no joke. The Drift Limo logo on the side isn't just a cool design choice. This limo can drift, and it does so with style and precision. Footage of it participating in the Ice King Battle, a unique drag race event on snow and ice, showcases its capabilities. With its bright yellow paint and huge rear wing, it's a sight to behold, and the sound it produces is music to any car enthusiast's ears. A quick build, impressive results. In just 4 months, Brad and his team created a car that defies expectations. It's a testament to their skill and creativity that this limo, built for speed and drifting, performs so impressively. It's a far cry from its former life as a luxury cruiser, and a perfect example of how modifications can completely transform a vehicle's personality. So, there you have it, folks. A Mercedes-Benz limo, turned into a drift machine, with an engine that packs a serious punch. It's a unique build, and a reminder that in the world of car modifications, anything is possible. What do you think? Would you take this limo for a spin? Let's discuss in the comments.